So this is the type of head bulb it is. What I like to do is wear a glove, because if you put hot spots by fingerprints onto the bulb, it can cause it to not last as long and burn out. So you want to avoid touching the head bulb. And then clip this in with this point facing upwards, like that. Goes in like that. This clip's gone back in, it was just stuck in the clips either side, and then you just wiggle this in like that, try and avoid touching the bulb. Then it's just a case of lining it up, making sure that it goes in there properly.